I need to stop chewing while I'm talking.
Doesn't seem like a simple sugar cookie.
We're ready for the cookies. All right, in the name of fairness, I'm gonna be putting on a blindfold today so that we have a true blind taste test. I hope you are all happy.
So we'll start with number 1.
Just gonna grab this Christmas tree.
Buttery, smells like cookies.
She's the gingerbread man. This is pretty cute.
Let's hear the crack. Ooh, not much of a crack.
Yeah, I guess we'll start with the head. That's how you're supposed to do it, right? I feel kind of bad.
Pretty standard.
Very simple, really crunchy.
Very, very buttery. I like a lot of butter in my cookies, but this one's like almost a little bit too much, and it's almost a little bit too dry.
They're very dry, powdery, if that's the right word.
You know what? It actually reminds me of a fortune cookie.
It's really good. I like how buttery it is once you get over how overwhelming it is.
They also smell buttery, not much of a difference. Crack? Ooh. Slightly more, but also soft.
Cooked evenly, just like the other cookie.
These taste crunchier right off the bat.
I think my mother will like this.
There's vanilla in there, or there's more of a vanilla flair.
Ooh, this one's really good.
There's tangerine? I don't know. There's a kick of something. Hold on.
They also have a different flavoring to them.
Yeah, this has an extra flavor to it. I feel like this one's like more basic.
Raspberry?
Lemon zest.
Not lemon. Tangerine, I was close.
Yeah.
It's very delicate. Doesn't seem like a simple sugar cookie. This was a little bit simpler.
Number 1 is the winner for me.
2.
Yeah, the second one just stands out to me because there's some random flavor in there.
This plate, number 2. They just taste a lot more like a classic sugar cookie. Oh man. Well, I love Alton though. He was my high school crush for 2 years. I hope he's these. Right? Right? Oh my God, no! I have to see. Oh God, these were Mariah's? She's the cooking queen now too, I guess.
Mariah's Lamley should be very proud because this is a good cookie.
Damn, Mariah's such a diva. She's gonna hate me for not liking her cookies. But I love her. I love you, Mariah. Please forgive me.